In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a proxy in Google Chrome. A proxy is a middleman between your browser and the websites you visit. It can help with privacy, testing how sites look from different regions, or meeting company network requirements. In Chrome, proxy settings aren't managed inside the browser itself. Chrome uses your computer's system proxy settings. That's why we'll start in Chrome and then hand off to your operating system's proxy panel. Open Chrome and look to the top right corner, click the three dots to open the main menu. From there, choose Settings. This takes you to Chrome's Settings page, where you can control how the browser behaves. On the left side, find the section labeled System. If you don't see it right away, scroll to the bottom of the sidebar. Inside System, click the option that says Open your computer's proxy settings. This is the key handoff. Chrome will open your operating system's proxy window because that's where the actual proxy is configured. In the System Proxy window, look for the option to set up a manual proxy. On many setups, you'll see a button labeled Setup under Manual Proxy Setup. Click that to begin editing. On some devices, you might see checkboxes for different proxy types instead. That's fine. The idea is the same. You're opening the Manual Configuration panel. Now, enable the proxy server. You'll typically toggle a switch or tick a box to turn it on. Remember, this changes network behavior for Chrome and often other apps on your device. So only enable it when you intend to route traffic through the proxy. Enter the proxy server address and port provided by your network or proxy service. The address is usually a host name or IP, and the port is a number assigned by the proxy provider. If your system shows a field for exceptions or entries that should bypass the proxy, add sites you don't want going through the proxy, such as local addresses or trusted internal domains. If your proxy requires a username and password, your system or Chrome will prompt you the first time you connect. When you're done, click Save to apply the settings. The change takes effect immediately for Chrome. If a page doesn't load as expected, double-check the address, port, and any exceptions you added. To stop using the proxy later, return to the same panel and turn the proxy switch off, then save. That's it. You've set up a proxy in Google Chrome using your computer's proxy settings.